Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sewer hose support is probably one of the most overlooked but essential accessories for RVers, ensuring smooth waste disposal and preventing messy leaks. In this video, we will review Thetford sewer hose support, examining its features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your RV adventures. Number 5. Thetford Titan 17853 RV Sewer Hose Kit. This kit makes RV waste disposal easier than ever. It's designed for a no-mess experience, saving you time and hassle. It fits most RVs, ensuring compatibility with your setup. No more worrying about compatibility issues. The high-quality TPE hose is uncrushable and highly resistant to punctures and abrasions. It's built to last, even in tough conditions. It features an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling and a 5-in-1 adapter that fits any RV sewer outlet. Disposal is now effortless. This kit comes complete with a 15-foot hose, a 5-in-1 adapter, and 2 end caps. Everything you need is included for convenient storage and use. Experience the difference with this superior sewer hose kit. It's designed for convenience, durability, and a mess-free experience. What we like. This kit has everything you need for easy RV waste disposal. The durable hose is built to last, even in tough conditions. If you value convenience and a reliable system, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Thetford Titan 10-foot RV Hose. Need more length for your sewer hose? It easily extends your existing hose for a more convenient setup. Made from durable TPE material, it's tough enough to withstand accidental damage. It springs right back to shape, even if run over. It's built to last. This hose resists punctures, abrasions, and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. Connecting it is a breeze. The universal bayonet mount makes it simple to attach to any RV sewer outlet. Use it by itself or extend your current hose. It provides the flexibility you need for various RV setups. Experience worry-free waste disposal with its robust design and user-friendly features. It's the perfect addition to your RVing essentials. What we like. Need extra reach for your sewer hose? This extension provides just that, easily adding to your existing setup. It's tough enough to withstand anything the road throws at it. If you need more length and peace of mind, this is for you. What people say. The rugged TPE construction offers exceptional resistance to punctures, abrasions, and extreme temperatures, ensuring durability on every trip. The Extend Grip universal bayonet fitting makes connections effortless and secure, even in tight spaces. It's compact enough to store conveniently and has proven reliable during various camping seasons. Number 3. Titan 20-foot RV Sewer Hose Kit. This kit makes sewer hose hookups easier than ever. It's designed for a secure and fast connection to your RV. It comes with two 10-foot hoses, giving you the length you need to reach most dump stations. The material is durable and resistant to punctures and abrasions. The ergonomic grip makes connecting it to your RV a breeze. It's designed for a secure and easy connection. This adapter makes connecting to the dump station simple. Its unique design allows for easy maneuvering and a secure fit. It easily mounts to universal RV outlets. The extra length provides a more secure grip and faster installation. The hoses are made from a tough, uncrushable material that resists punctures and abrasions. It's built to last. It's designed to fit most RVs. Enjoy worry-free travel knowing it will work with your setup. What we like. This extra-long hose kit provides ample reach for any campsite. The included adapter and end caps make setup a breeze. If you prioritize a long hose and a hassle-free experience, this is the ideal option. Number 2. Titan Thetford RV Sewer Hose Support 17919. It's ready to go right out of the box. No fiddly bits to assemble or lose, making setup a breeze. Adjust it to perfectly support your sewer hose. It's simple to customize for your needs. When you're done, it packs away quickly and easily. It's designed for convenient storage. It's built to last from durable, washable plastic. No more worries about rusting parts. With 5 sections, it can support up to 15 feet of hose. Configure it to fit your specific setup. It works perfectly with Titan sewer hose systems and many other hoses. It's a versatile solution for your RV. What we like. This support makes sewer hose setup and takedown a snap. Its compact design makes storage simple. If you want a quick, easy, and convenient way to manage your sewer hose, this is perfect for you. What people say. They are very lightweight, and while that is great, my only concern is they may not stand up to high wind. But compared to sidewinders, that definitely do not, I think these have a better chance of standing up to the wind. They also come with a carrying case for storage, and true to their word will support up to 15 feet of hose. Great product and so far the best solution I have used for this application. 1 year later, still using them today and they stand up to high wind with no issue, the wind flows right through and they offer perfect elevation for the hoses. No more trying to get it level, no bunch of pieces. No worry about being cut when yard being done. So easy to load up. It holds the sewer hose excellently. I have tried other products that advertise supporting the hose, but when opening dump valves, hose goes in 5 different directions. These supports hold the hose in place, and I am very pleased with the purchase. Highly recommend them. Number 1. Thetford Titan Y Sewer Adapter. This is the Thetford Titan Y Sewer Adapter, a product known for its creative design and high-quality materials. It's designed to make your RV life easier and more convenient. It boasts a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with various systems. No more worrying about compatibility issues. Weighing in at only 0.67 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. You'll barely notice it's there. This package contains 1 sewer adapter, ready to use right out of the box. Everything you need is included. It features a translucent green design, making it easy to see the flow. A simple, yet effective design choice. This sewer adapter is the perfect solution for your RV needs. It's reliable, easy to use, and built to last. What we like. This adapter is compatible with most RV systems. Its innovative design enhances functionality. If you need a versatile and well-designed adapter, this is the one for you. What people say. I like this Y that allows me to connect 2 tanks in my 5th-wheel RV to a single sewage opening. Worked just as advertised. Easy to use and no leaks. This product arrived in a timely manner and it did just what it was supposed to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.